The word dey shake as the US, Israel, Iran war tension don push global oil price enter another level, and everybody dey feel the hardship. At the filling station now, petrol don go 1,200 naira, and hardship dey everywhere. But as the global dey shake, back home, the European Union just land with a heavy 290 million deal over half a billion naira investment. The package for Tinubu and the military, the battle drum swam when terrorists dey use now for northeast. Danger dey everywhere, my people, and we need to talk about this. Welcome, welcome to Pidgin Point News. Today, we no dey cut through the noise, but we go give una the real matter wey dey happen for Nigeria. So make I no waste una time, make I give una the gist. But wait, before I go forward, make una subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you go be the first person wey go receive the news when I go upload anytime. So make we start with the deal when our president just get yesterday morning. The UN partnership, UN High Representative Kaja Kallas, he meet President Tinubu for his Lagos home yesterday. The big news be say the UN okay sum of 290 million euro for new operations in digitalization, health, and agriculture. They even promise to bring more investment to align with the Renew Hope agenda. Even with the UN money, the 2027 chicks game dey move. Even governor wey im name be Fintiri of Adamawa State just officially join APC, and Shettima receive am for Yola. He say the move na partnership to build Nigeria. Partnership to build Nigeria. Okay, one people now dey talk about one party state. Analysts dey talk say that they want Nigeria dey move towards a one party state as more heavyweights like Victory keep defeating to the ruling party, making opposition party look like dem dey sick. So now they want turn Nigeria to APC. You see, this thing wey dem dey talk 2023 say, Bola Ahmed Tinubu no fit turn Nigeria to Lagos. The thing don dey happen small small, and people still dey sleep. Very soon now, we no go get opposition for Nigeria politics. Everything go be APC. And my question be say, all these men when they defeat to APC, they even know wetin dem dey do sef. Abi e get how they take dey threa ten dem when dem dey comot for their party go dey join APC? Because all these things when they happen now for Nigeria politics is very alarming, and people are sleeping. My people, make we move forward. Now make we talk about the insecurity. Report confirm say US military trainers for Nigeria don start to use high-powered drones from an air base in Bauchi to detect and disrupt terrorists. Even though the drones fit strike dem, dem say na only for surveillance and intelligence for now. So now they don dey push for state police. So make we see how that one go take work. As Salah home page dey go on, 25 governors under the NGF, Nigeria Governors Forum, don submit their final framework for state police to the National Assembly, and President Tinubu don show say he ready to sign am once they finish. So insecurity dey alert hit the place wey dey call Yalawa for Taraba State, as intelligence show say terrorists dey plan punitive attack. People for those areas they need to dey alert. So for the world gist and the global news, our own Davido, he don prepare to go to London for August. He call am London feast. OBOB and friends coming up this August as Crystal Palace Ball. So this is the first time when he wan do feast for that place. So e go hold for August. So make we talk about our own sister, the queen herself, Funke Akindele. Now remember that movie when it hit, they call am Behind the Scene, and the movie now don go for Netflix. And the Queen of Hollywood move Behind the Scene set to land on Netflix on April 3rd. So that one is very breaking record, and we are happy for her. For global tension, Middle East still dey boil. Iran launched missile at Israel early Tuesday morning, hitting a building in northern Israel. Trump don announce say he postpone strike on Iran power plant for 5 days to see if talk go work, report yet. The market is shaking as oil price dey high around $104 per barrel. Far away from the war, the UN and the Australia, they don finally sign a massive free trade agreement today after 8 years of talk. They say this to protect trade from being used as a geopolitical weapon. My people, this na the reality of our world today. From €290 million deal in Lagos to the drone wars in Borno and the 1,200 Petrol, the game don dey change. So my people, make we talk about this and make una tell us wetin una think about this €290 million when European wan invest for Nigeria. Make we talk about am for comment section. So this one, the updates when I bring, I just quick bring this update for now this morning. So make una remain safe and remain informed. God bless. Bye bye.